In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a flashing button on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, it's going to be this menu button right here. So click and highlight your button, and then right above or below it, a bunch of different options are going to appear. The one you want to pay attention to is this animation button right here. Click on that. And then I want you to close the entrance options and then click on loop. These are all the animations that will continuously loop for as long as the viewer is on the page. So in that case, we want the flash animation, which is down here. So click on that and then click on customize. And this is where you can customize the intensity of the animation itself. So for example, if you want the flash to be very short, so for example, 0.5 seconds, and you want there to be no delay between the flashes, that way the flash be constant, select 0. To save, click on the X button right here, and then let's preview the website to see the end result. As you can see, there is the flashing button on my Wix website, and it will continue to flash for as long as I'm on the page. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a flashing button on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.